So a lot of people ask, should you EQ before or after compression? Now, the answer to this is it depends. It depends on why you are EQing. It also depends on your workflow, and it depends on the problems you are trying to solve with EQ and compression. Now, for example, if you are mixing a song with some vocals in it, and the vocals have a really, really low rumble, like really low frequency rumble, it's probably a good idea to filter that out before the compressor, because that rumble could trigger the compressor in a way that you don't expect, or the way that isn't useful to the signal. But then you might EQ after compression for more tonal shaping of the sound. You know, you might want to bring up a bit of brightness or what have you, or you might want to just reshape the balance. But also because the character of the compression, or the way that the compression works, might have an effect on the tonal balance of the signal. So when it comes to EQ before compression, generally speaking, that is for solving problems, removing weird resonances or low-end rumble or anything like that. Then compression for tightening the dynamics, and then some EQ maybe for just overall tonal shaping of the sound. Hope that was useful, and I'll see you in the next video.